Hey, we have a Southwestern Industries Proto-Trak CNC and manual flatbed lathe, model TRL 1540SX, serial number 072CW15521. Machine was new in 2007. We're going to run her for you. Machine has a Proto-Trak SLX control. He's using the joystick to rapid the carriage left and right. It's 15-inch swing by 40-inch center distance. That's the cross slide travel. He's using the hand wheels. When you use the hand wheels, you can also see on the control, it acts as a digital readout, both axes. Also have a indexable turret. I'll be running the spindle though first. Spindle speeds are from 150 up to 4,000 RPM. What's that? 500 RPM. Right now the machine has a 6.5-inch 3-jaw chuck on it. We also have a 10-inch 4-jaw chuck and a 5C Royal lever type collet closer. 1,000 RPM. 1,500, very quiet. He's indexing the star turret. That's your tailstock. Tailstock has a number 4 Morse taper. 5 3/4-inch travel. You have hardened and ground bedways. Hey, thank you for watching our video.